Okay. Hi everyone. I need some feedback on an application that I've been developing for a while. It's an AI-based to-do list. What it does is it will give you pretty decent time estimates for the tasks that you usually have that are spread across digital or physical notes. The example I'm taking here is of a student leader. I'm developing this solution for student leaders or working professionals. So what I did here was I'm just copy pasting tasks that usually look like day-to-day tasks a student leader might have, or just a student might have as well. Um, it's gonna take a while. Okay, so if you see, there's a theme that follows with these tasks. Usually we withhold a lot of information and context because we know what situation we are in, and we just write the task that is due in like short terms or our own slang. And if you see, I just wrote print flyers without giving it any context, where I'm going, what I'm doing, how much time it will take, and it says 30 minutes. If I'm okay with that, I'm just gonna click on the green tick, book room, fill the form, 30 minutes, complete assignment. Let's say if I'm gonna take like 3 hours to complete an assignment, I'll just make it 180 and then store that. Start doing the quizzes. It doesn't take 60 minutes for one quiz. So maybe make it, I don't know, 25 minutes. And this seems right. I can use categories. For example, that is my student org. So I'll just create a divider, put it up here. Now it also supports multiple languages. So if I use Chinese for meal prep for the week, it's supposed to give me an estimate. I'm going to use, if I say I want to make a doctor's appointment in Hungarian, it's going to give me an estimate too. It's just that when you have a time estimate, you become more productive. And the whole idea is for the application to not ask you questions. So that's Arabic for change engine oil. 60 minutes, okay. I like these time estimates. Maybe if the application sees something that sounds similar that you have done in the past, it will give you an estimate depending on what the task you have done in the past and how long it took. For example, if I do something like complete assignment 9, hopefully it will say something like 90 minutes. Okay, I misspelled that, so it's not good. Well, I'm not using spell checks because we use our own slangs, but let's see. If I do just book room, it's gonna say 87% match. So you finish a similar task on 12th November in 60 minutes. So this goes all the way here. You see, it sounds similar. Book room for lunch, or if I just go room for lunch. So it will not ask you, again, you finish a similar task on 12th November, blah, blah, blah. It will not ask you for effort, priority, or deadlines. Rather, it will learn from your actions and it just gets better with time. So next time, if you have a random or an arbitrary task without any context, that, for example, look